World Wildlife Day, observed annually on March 3, stands as a global initiative to spotlight the significance of preserving the Earth's rich biodiversity. Proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly in 2013, the day aligns with the pivotal adoption of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, CITES, on March 3, 1973. This commemoration serves as a reminder of the shared responsibility to conserve and protect our planet's precious wildlife.
World Wildlife Day 2024 takes a forward-thinking approach by focusing on digital innovation. This year's theme, Connecting People and Planet, Exploring Digital Innovation in Wildlife Conservation, underscores the transformative role of digital conservation technologies and services in fostering sustainable practices and harmonious coexistence between humans and wildlife. Despite remarkable strides in wildlife conservation through technological advancements, challenges persist on the path to achieving universal digital inclusion by 2030, as outlined by the UN website. These obstacles, including unequal access, environmental pollution, and unsustainable technology use, emphasize the ongoing need for collective efforts to overcome such hindrances.
This year's celebration extends beyond awareness, acting as a dynamic platform for cross-generational exchange and the empowerment of youth. Through art, presentations, and discussions, World Wildlife Day 2024 seeks to amplify the voices of diverse communities, exploring sustainable digital wildlife conservation, and envisioning inclusive digital connectivity for all. This year, the CITES Secretariat has joined forces with UNDP, Wild Labs, Jackson Wild, and the International Foundation for Animal Welfare to promote essential discussions.
As we mark World Wildlife Day 2024, let us reflect on the progress made, the challenges ahead, and the collective commitment required to ensure a harmonious and sustainable future for both people and the planet. Through innovation, inclusivity, and collaboration, we pave the way for a world where wildlife thrives, ecosystems flourish, and the interconnected web of life is preserved for generations to come.
The Science Connect through its outreach emphasizes that let's be the guardians of our Earth. By raising awareness and actively participating in conservation efforts, we can ensure a future where every species thrives. Embrace the beauty of biodiversity and champion the cause of preservation. Together, let's protect the planet we call home.